So in this video, we will be learning about the machine independent assembler features, which includes the algorithm that is related to the linking loader. So we will be having a program address that is given by the operating system. So that is PROGADDR. It will be stored in this variable. Then CSADDR, that is the control section address, in which the value of PROGADDR will be stored. And this action will be performed if the control section is the first control section. Then it processes the input object code, in which it will be first checking the header record, and in that header record it will be getting the control section length, and which will be stored into CSLTH. And it searches the name of the control section that is obtained from the header record in the STAB, external symbol table. And if the symbol is found, then it means that it is a duplicate external symbol. So it enters the control section name into the STAB with the CSADDR value if the symbol is not found in the external symbol table. If found, it indicates duplicate symbol. If not found, it will be entering the symbol into the symbol table with its CSADDR value. Then when the record type, if the record type is not equal to E, it checks whether it is D. So in this algorithm, it will be checking the header record and the defined record. So from the header record, it will be getting the name of the control section and the control section length. And from the defined record, it will be getting the labels or the symbols that is stored. So for each symbol in the record, it searches the STAB for the symbol name. If it is found in the symbol table, then it indicates an error. It sets an error flag which indicates the duplicate external symbol. And if not found means you need to enter the symbol into the STAB with value. So what will be the value? CSADDR plus the indicated address. Indicated address means the address that is given, that is at first assigned within the control section, and that will be the address which is given in the object code, which need to be loaded to the memory. Then which will be given as input to the loader. Okay, so this process will be continued till it reaches the end record. Once end record is reached, CSADDR will be updated with CSADDR plus CSLTH. You need to add control section length to the control section address, that is CSADDR. This mesh process will be done in the one pass algorithm in linking loader. And in case of two pass is like, you will be setting the CSADDR and EXEC-ADDR to program address, and set from the header record is control section length will be stored into the variable CSLTH. And if the record type is not equal to E, it reads the input record and checks the text record. For pass 2 algorithm, it checks the text record and the modification record. If from the text record, if the object code is in the character form, it converts it into the internal representation, and the object code will be moved to a location. Where it is being moved? The address CSADDR plus specified address. So specified address is from the object code, you will be getting a text record address you will be getting. That address plus the current CSADDR address that is being assigned here. It will be doing the operation and the corresponding text record or the object code will be loaded to the said location. This is a case with text record. And in case of modification record will be having the symbols which need to be modified, and you need to search the STAB for the modifying symbol name. So from the modification record, you will be getting the symbol. Search the STAB for the symbol name. if the symbol is found, you need to add or subtract the symbol value at a location. What is the location? CSADDR plus the specified address. So you will be getting a CSADDR plus the address that is given in the record. So symbol name you need to get search in the SDAP. If found, this operation will be performed. If not found means it will be setting an error flag indicating it is an undefined symbol. So this task will be performed in the modification record. This continues until it reaches the end record, and once end record is reached, you need to set the EXEC-ADDR to CSADDR plus the specified address. So this is done because it need to start its execution to the said address. So for that purpose, this EXEC-ADDR is being used. So if it is not end record means you need to set CSADDR to CSADDR plus CS length. So control section length will be added to the current control section address so that the next control section address can be obtained. Then jump to the location. Once it reaches to the end of the input, jump to the location given by the EXEC-ADDR in order to start the execution of the loaded program. This is the case with the pass-to algorithm. So in both the cases, once the end record is reached, this operation will be performed. That is, control section address will be updated as control section address plus control section length. This is for this is for finding the address of the next control section. And in case of pass-to, this EXEC-ADDR is used in order to find the address where the execution need to be started for the program that is being loaded. So we can consider an example that we have discussed earlier related to the three programs, program A, program B and program C. So starting with the program A, here you are having some external definition symbol, external reference symbols. So starting address is given as 0. So based on that, some address will be assigned for the variables or the labels. And during the pass one of the assembler, what it does, a symbol table will be having with its corresponding address. For example, REF1 will be having 0020, REF2 0023, REF3 0027, like that it will be having. Also, it will be managing the list A as 0040, end day will be 0054, like that it will be having some addresses. Then external reference symbols means they are defined elsewhere in the program. So this much thing will be done by the assembler, and this assembler, it will be generating the object code. This object code will be generated by the assembler. Okay, so from this object code will be considered by the loader, linking loader, in order to execute. So this object code that is stored in the given in the text record will be loaded into the corresponding memory for the program to be executed. So how the algorithm is applied on this input, that is the object program, so that it can be loaded to the memory we are going to discuss. So in pass-1 algorithm, we have said we are having a program address, CSADDR is you are having, and it passes it checks the header record and the defined record. So program address, first it will be, if the operating system, it gives the address as 4000, then the control section address, according to the algorithm, control section address will be set as program address. Then again the address will be 4000. Then next what it does, from the this operation will be done for the first control section. So here program A is considered to be as the first control section. Then it processes the object code and it gets the name of the program, and this name of the program and the length of the control section you will be getting. So control section length will be stored in the variable CSLTH, and the program name address will be set as CSADDR. Okay, so the CSADDR, that is 4000, and it will be for first control section CSADDR will be 4000. Then in case of defined record, it will be having the symbols and its corresponding address you will be having. So from that, if you have you will be getting the symbol name, you need to search the STAB. So STAB will be having a symbol name with its current address value. So loader, what it does, the symbol name, if it is found in the STAB, it adds the current CSADDR value with the specified address. So specified address here, what is the specified address? 040. So this addition will be done and the result will be 4040. Then the second symbol is end day. End day will be it searches for end day in the STAB, and what it does, if it is found, means it will be adding the CSADDR value with the address that is specified 054. CSADDR is 4000 plus 054, you will be getting the result as 4054. Then this process will be continued till it reaches to the end record. So in pass 1 only header record and defined record will be processed. Once it reaches to the end record, what it does, CSADDR will be updated with the value CS length plus CSADDR, which is you will be getting as 4063. So this means that it is the next address of the next control section. So from the table you can see program B, it starts from the address 4063. So this 0063 is the control section length. So when we are checking for the next program, that is program B, means CSADDR, it will starts with the address 4063. The algorithm it applies, and you will be getting the CS length as 007F from the object code. Then program B, if it is found in the symbol table, then you will be assigning the program B address as 4063, that is CS address. Then the defined record it will check, updating the address of the symbols found in the defined record with the CSADDR plus the specified address to get the addresses as 40C3 and 40D3. So the address will be updated in the STAB. Then once it reaches the CSADDR, it will be updating the address value 4082, that is adding the current CSADDR with the length of the control section. So the next control section will be program C. It starts from 4082. Similarly, you will be making use of the program C record also. In that case also you will be applying the same algorithm and you will be getting the result like this: 4112 and 4124, updating the CSADDR value as 4133. Next it moves to the pass-to algorithm. So in case of pass-to algorithm, what it does, the CSADDR will be assigned with a program address which is equal to 4000. And EXEADDR also is set as program address which is equal to 4000, that is given by the operating system. And when considering the program A, the control section length is 0063. So what it does, it will be checking the text record and the modification record. So from the text record, you need to find the address of the record, that is current address CSADDR is 4000 plus the specified address 0020. Text record address it starts from 0020 where the current instruction need to be stored 032010. Like that it